Got 7 more weird Kit Kats from Japan. By weird, I mean weird flavors. This one right here looks like green tea. When I was in Tokyo, it's actually pretty good. So, wow, look at that. That chocolate is actual green. It actually tastes like green tea. Japanese green tea. With a little bit of a waffle in there. So, it's flavor of a green tea. Chocolate. Very weird. Anyways. This is Sakura Mochi flavor. I actually tried mochi recently. Katen have introduced me to it. This is melted. Oh, look how bad it melted. Let's see if we can get it non-melted one. That's strange. One got melted real bad. This one is a little bit better, but still messed up. And this one pink. So much flavor into it right away. But this is, to me, tastes like soap. I do not want to eat candy that flavor of soap. I don't know, I'd rather stick with the actual mochi. Okay, I love strawberries. This is also pink candy right here. This is definitely a weird colors of the candy right here. Chocolate candy. Ooh, smells so good. Ooh. Okay, strawberry is so far my favorite. Very nice strawberry flavor in the beginning and have this sour spots on them. So good. Strawberry is so far the best. Okay, we have here, I don't know what this is. Is there English? Nope. This right here. Beautiful packaging. I love this. And look, there are items. I guess you can make a note or something. White chocolate. So far, I have not seen a regular dark chocolate. This tastes like baby snacks. I don't know. Nothing too crazy about that. Just like regular white chocolate almost. Okay, let's go to the dark chocolate right here. There's no English in it, but there you go. The only thing it says, have a break, have a Kit Kat. In English. Ooh, look at that packaging. Dark. That's gonna be a really dark chocolate. This is definitely unique. Very, very dark chocolate. You can taste it either way. That's gonna wake me up. All this candy going to give me sugar rush. And that's very unique. Right here. Some kind of glass on the picture. Looks like different type of tea or something. Another pretty cool packaging. Okay. Whoa, look at that color of the candy. I know it's melted a little bit. Let me open a different one. See if we get a better luck. Oh, that one is even worse. Yeah, sometimes buying stuff off eBay, not a good idea. You get such a melted stuff. Amazon wasn't so bad, but there you go. This one is better. Wow, that's a weird smell to it. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh. This is a definitely tea flavor. No. None of the tea flavor I like. Oh. That's horrible. Okay. I left best for the last. This is a sake Kit Kat. Oh, that aftertaste is so bad. Do not eat this. Oh wow, look at this packaging. There you go, sake. Oh, it's so melted. Oh wow. I like the way. I love vanilla, it's a little bit sour and sweet. It's delicious. I guess, yeah, I'm feeling the sake in there. But it's still very sweet. What about this one? Such a unique stuff. I love candy around the world and food around the world. Ooh, this one is super white. Look at that. At first, tastes like white chocolate, but then aftertaste, almost. Yep, definitely like sake. Ugh. That one is way stronger. I like the green one a little bit better. But I think ultimate winner was the strawberry. There was a lot of disgusting ones. Ugh, that was not good. Strawberry in this set of flavors all the way. A lot of was like just okay, nothing super special. A lot of them were bad, but this one is so good and sour. I love it. Kit Kat, that tastes sour, very unique. I like it a lot. And I wish it has strawberry flavor a little bit. Mostly have those tingly sour pieces inside of it for some reason.